Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto on Coinbase wallet. So in order to begin with the procedure, check your internet connection. Make sure that your Coinbase wallet and Coinbase application is linked. So basically when you're buying cryptos on Coinbase wallet, you can do the procedure from your Coinbase and add it to your Coinbase wallet. So all you have to do is open up a login into your Coinbase wallet and click the plus icon from the top, or you can simply go to the assets and tap the buy button from the top right hand side. In order to buy or transfer cryptos, just tap on transfer from Coinbase. So as already mentioned, you need to make sure to link your Coinbase as well and click the open Coinbase account. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to scroll down and go to assets. After that, all you have to do is just select the particular asset that you wish to buy and using your Coinbase wallet. After you've done that, you need to confirm all of your details such as the amount of Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy or purchase. As soon as you do that, you've successfully bought cryptos on Coinbase wallet. So that's basically how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.